Hi and welcome to the Add Users tutorial. Here we going to show you how to add users without sending an invite. Let's get right into this. In AgilityPortal we refer to users as members. Members are people who are a part of your team or business, for example employees. Head over to the Communities tab. Click on People. After that locate the menu. Now you can click on Create Member. A pop-up should appear. Simply add the relevant information. And don't forget to click on Save. You can send the login details to the member to log in, and that is all. In the same menu, click on Invite Members. Enter the email of the users you would like to add. Select the role for the specified invites. Roles control the functions users can perform, such as creating, editing, and deleting items in AgilityPortal. Select the department. All members need to belong to a department, so just make sure you add them to the correct department. Then assign an office location. If you would like to assign a member to a specific team, simply select the team here, and you are all set to go. Finally, click on Send button. The selected member will get an email to register to be a member. How to import users' action is only available for admin members. If you have admin access, you can perform these actions. Click on your avatar, and you should see a drop-down menu. Select the option, Account Settings. After that click on Communities. Then locate the Action button, and click on Import Members. Download the template, and add your members to the Excel file and save the template. Now go back to the app and select the template. Once you've uploaded the file, proceed to select the role, office location, department, and team. And the final step is to select whether the invitees should get an invite email. Hit import and you're all done. We hope you learned how to add members to your portal. Thank you for watching the video.